What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in the channel with us today. It's another nice hot day here in Alabama. Pop's over there cutting some brush away. We're gonna try to get this old 2/3 goat out of here. See how this works out. But pretty exciting. Got a bunch of new subscribers. I think we like 360 something last time I checked, which I haven't checked this morning. Gnats are good and bad out here. It's gonna be hot, but y'all stay tuned. This is fitting to be a little bit of a rodeo. I'm gonna turn this around, let y'all see it. There ain't much on the back of this car. Part of the frame rail is missing. No rear end. So we're gonna try to get it picked up and back the trailer under the back end of it. Gonna put some wheels and tires on the front, but unfortunately it's close to this tree, and so we don't want to mess the nose and stuff up on the car. But we'll see how it goes. All right, so we dropped the trailer, and this is a little boom thing I made for, I don't know, a couple years ago. We were moving stuff around at the house or at the shop and needed a way to, I think it was a truck frame or something, but it's a 2-inch Schedule 80 pipe, goes in a hitch. But we're gonna get some front tires stuck on this thing, get it jacked up, get some tires on it, and then hook to the back and try to swing it around and pull it away from the tree. Maybe pull it up there where it's flat and then block it up, back the trailer under it. Got a couple of roller dollies, set the frame on, which they're on the trailer still. But we're gonna see if we can rescue this old beater. It's kind of crusty, but it's got some good parts on it still, and some of them I need. Well, old GTO is gonna roll for the first time in a long time. Yeah. Well, that's a vintage GTO bucket, dude. Is it? Yeah. Better keep it as numbers matching for the car. Yeah.
You want to ease forward.
Yeah.
I'll try to hold the car, keep it off the truck.
Just don't get between them.
I'm not going to. Go slow.
Ready?
Yeah.
Brake drums will like slam up.
Yeah. Oh, spinning. Come look at it.
Bending the heat.
No. It's bent the bowl.
Huh. Might have to go about this a different way. We could pick it up with this and then chain it from there to the truck.
Right.
I didn't expect it to bend that pole.
I didn't either, but it looks like it might have slipped some too.
Did it? Slip.
Backwards. Out of the hitch, or you got a pin in?
No, I got a pin.
some bungee cords.
Yeah.
Those trail arms.
Trailer arms are trying to dig in. We still recording?
Are you?
I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Well, the front brakes are locked up.
That'll keep it off the truck.
It's just dragging it.
I'll WD-40 and we're going to get going on the trailer.
Ready? Yeah. What do you think?
Trying to straighten it up now.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah,
Gonna win.
that's good.
Straighten it in.
Hold it, Mike. I gotta get some blocks to put on.
GTO rescuing. I don't imagine this one's gonna go back on the road though. Probably just get what good parts off of it we need for our car and then sell whatever else, I guess. I know I need the front glass, so that's good. Where she sat all them years. Tires lock slam up. I reckon whoever lives in there ain't gonna be happy the car's gone. But thought about something while I was picking the car up a little farther. Whenever we use this little tow bar, lift bar thing I built, we always put straps on it back to the truck, and I didn't do that, so it's probably why it bent. But it's got one on it now. Makes a big difference. But it's the old car. Yeah, it does, don't it? Professional. This is Johnson Welding and Fab Towing and Recovery. You know, I've watched, I don't know if y'all watch Pole Barn Garage on YouTube. You should check him out. He has got the worst 1970 GTO that I think has ever existed. The car's been all shot up real bad, come out of a junkyard, but it's pretty cool. I enjoy his channel. If y'all go check him out, he's got a pretty gnarly 70 model GTO that was a numbers matching car when he got it. And now I know y'all will be happy because his is Pontiac powered, and I got a thing for them LS motors, but you know, I reckon that's the reason I'm the one building the car, because I can do what I want to with it. But
There. Might put on new heater hoses.
well, good. Ain't got to replace them, do we? Just a little pine straw in there. That's one of them
Here's what.
pine straw 400s, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh no. Here's the plan. Got the old hand winch, come along, hook back up. Got a couple of these rollers, shop rollers for moving cars around. We're gonna put one under each side, jacks under that side now. We're gonna put some tension on it, pull it forward with them rollers. Hopefully it'll roll, and them tires, them ramps under there, them tires will start climbing the back. Wait, they're locked slam up, so hose them down with some WD-40, see if they'll, maybe they'll cut loose. That green car, they wouldn't, they rolled, it was fine. that's the plan. We're getting a little bit closer. Brakes still lock, slam up.
Yeah, that's our biggest problem.
I know it. Yeah, but it's been fighting us. So we'll get it up there. It's gonna take a little longer. Let me tell y'all, it's hot. It's real hot.
How hot is it?
I don't know.
Damn hot.
Yeah,
Damn hot. That's that hot.
you heard it. There she is, all loaded up, strapped down. Got some straps on some of the glass. Got the door strapped shut. Might go spend another $5 to pressure wash it. See how the paint looks. Although this one's a little bit rougher than that old 68. Just a little bit. But there's still some good parts on the car. Pretty excited about the valance being not too smashed up. But it's loaded. That was a job, let me tell y'all. That was a job. Guys, we finna get in this truck, go get something to eat. Ain't ate nothing today. I'm thirsty and it's hot. So we're gonna do that and probably hit up a little car wash and hose her off. See what we end up with. But this car wasn't actually carousel red. It was actually red to start with. I'll show you right here where the trim's missing. Right there on that drip rail. You see the difference? Paint's coming off up there. But there it is, loaded up. We're gonna get out of here. Had to come back here and get the money shot. Both the cars together. Cause you know, that's what this is all about. Old goat back there in the barn. Barn find, field find, or woods find, or whatever you want to call it. There they are. All their glory. Old goats. Crusty old goats. I tell you, man, there's something about that orange. Or carousel red, whatever. I like that color. There she is. Be back for you soon. Go hose this thing off. Anyway. There it is. We are hot and tired, and I think we're finna call it a day. But got that one there. One left, but this is gonna be the good one next. We'll see y'all.